demonstration of the urgency needed for a slack-water dive.
It's part of your decision why you're not diving this morning.
Why not diving this morning?
Are you feeling unwell?
Nope.
Is it inclement outside?
Yeah,
Is there anything other than wind and water out there? Is there dragons? Is there kraken? Is there monsters? Tell me again, Roy. Tell me again. Would you be diving today if your ears were okay?
Oh, definitely.
And if your back was better, you'd be diving, would you?
There's nothing wrong with the back.
Graham, tell us why you're not diving today.
it's not very nice outside.
Is it a little inclement? Are you happy to work, Roy?
Stop it.
Don't get so geared up. Don't get so geared up. Here you go, this is what he's getting out into. Yeah. I'm going to borrow your blue gloves.
Here you go, we're just doing a gen on the Hispania, which is kind of about halfway down the sound of Mull.
There you go, that's on the plotter.
Having a bit of trouble keeping the camera still today because it's a little bit inclement. But the troops are up, they seem to enjoy it. They had a bit of a struggle getting up and getting down. About half of them fall by the worst side. We've got one ill malingering, a couple feeling a bit queasy, and the rest dived it, but they enjoyed it. As you can see, it's an absolutely cracking place. Look at that, looking down Sound of Mull. On the left hand side is the marker buoy for the Hispania. She's up at the red navigation buoy there. The actual shot line is slightly to the right of that. I don't think you can quite see it. But anyway, we're going to there you go, might see me filming. We're going to go and see if you can find a wee bit of shelter somewhere. I'll gather the horses, have a bite to eat, and I'll be back out in the afternoon.
Here we go.
Talk to it, Lindsay, what are we having for lunch?
Come on, I'm sick. Keep it. There you go, there's Bob's portion there.
Oh, big one.
That's Roy's portion.
Cheers.
Look at that, it's just